Benelli TNT 125. Review: simple, small, and lightweight. If you are into small-wheeled bikes, the Benelli TNT 125 delivers in every aspect. As well as being remarkable value for money, its styling is wonderfully flamboyant and the ride quality on a par with what you would expect on such a genre of bike. Although not quite as prevalent as with the Honda MSX125 Grom, you can still buy hop-up parts for the TNT, big bore etc., meaning you can customize it further or just go bonkers with the motor's performance. However, most bikes will be for learners, so you'll need to retain the factory specification or insurance costs will begin mounting quickly. The Tornado Naked T125, to use its full name, has a thriving online community over at the Benelli TNT 125 Owners Club on Facebook. Ride quality and brakes. Small wheels, a 124 kg wet weight and a 1,215 mm wheelbase means that the Benelli TNT 125 is super agile, especially when 90 kg of rider starts to add some influence with their body position. In town the Benelli zips through gaps and on the open road it is pleasingly stable in a straight line while still retaining its agility in bends. The suspension is perfectly acceptable for the speed of the bike and the combined brakes, the TNT lacks ABS, have enough bite to lock the front or do a stop pie if you hammer them hard enough, although you can't do skids as the rear brake is linked to the front. Engine. You can't expect too much from a learner legal 125 cubic centimeters air-cooled single, but the TNT's 5-speed engine buzzes along merrily and will hold 60 miles per hour, which is more than enough on a bike with 12-inch wheels that is only a meter tall. Its twin-spark head is also pretty efficient with economy figures in the 120 miles per gallon range easily achievable, and it makes a decent 11.1 brake horsepower with 7.4 ft-lb of torque. In town it is more than fast enough accelerating away from the lights and the clutch action very light and gearbox positive. The mirrors vibrate like crazy but the little engine is generally being thrashed to hell, so what do you expect? Reliability and build quality. Owned by the Chinese company Shenzhen, all Benellis are built in China but the styling and R&D department is based in Italy. Shenzhen's parent company is Geely Holding Group, an automotive manufacturer that owns Volvo and Lotus, so they are far from small players, which is reassuring in terms of spare parts supply. When you pay such a low price for a bike you have to expect some compromises. However, there is nothing to hint at a lack of build quality, and the 125 cubic centimeters motor is a reliable unit that is tried and tested. Value versus rivals. Built in China, like most of its rivals, the TNT costs just £2,499 on the road in 2022. This compares very favorably to the £3,449 Honda MSX125 Grom and £3,799 Honda Monkey. If you want to finance it, Benelli are offering a HP deal at 6.9% APR that sees you paying £76.84 a month over 3 years after a £99 deposit. This figure has risen a fair amount since launch in 2020, so keep an eye on the deals to make sure you're getting the best possible value. Finance packages can be taken out over 60, 48, 36, or 24-month periods. Equipment. Benelli have focused more on the TNT's styling than its equipment level, and you have to say they have done a great job with lovely details such as its twin stacked exhausts, trellis frame, bold paint and spider eye headlights.